If given a chance, be a victor, not a victim. A victor always wins over the issues, the challenges, the situation that he comes across. But a victim is always misbehaved or ill treated by the situation, by the people. A victim is someone who is downtrodden by the situation, and the one who feels pity about himself or herself that he or she is a victim of the situation, of the circumstances, of the people. So we should come out of this mindset that the people, the situations, the circumstances, they are putting us down, they are misbehaving with us. Because if we remain in the victim mindset, we will not be able to grow, because a victim mindset is always like having pity on yourself, being angry all the time, keeping all the grudges inside you against that situation, against that person. So we need to forget about that and move ahead in life. The situation, the external situations, we can never change. We can influence them to a certain extent, be it the people, be it the circumstances, be it any situation. We can, with our actions, what we can do, we can influence them, but we can never ever change anything outside us. What we can do is change ourselves as per the situation, or we can just forget about that particular thing. Although I understand this is very, very difficult to do this, but we should not submit before the people, before the circumstances. We should take control of our life, because challenges are meant to be in our life. A lot of time we are surrounded with issues. People are there to ill-treat us, people are there to put us down. But what if we come out as a victor, as a victorious? What if we learn to deal with issues, the challenges? Isn't that a great thing? Isn't that something that boosts your morale and your confidence? Isn't that helps you to grow in life, not to get stuck there being a victim, but go ahead and move ahead as a victor, as someone who can deal with any sort of situation? So be like a victor, but not like a victim. Thank you so much for your time.